Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Andika Prasetyo with student number 044, and I will be the consecutive interpreter for Prabowo Subianto's press conference.
Saudara-saudara sekalian, baru saja
My fellow Indonesians,
saya diterima Bapak Presiden. Saya melaporkan
recently I have been accepted by the President
beberapa hal di bidang saya,
and I am reporting several things in my division,
ya, terutama perkembangan di bidang pertahanan,
especially in the defense industry,
perkembangan dalam industri pertahanan,
development of the defense industry,
dan perkembangan hubungan kita dengan beberapa negara,
and the development of our relationship with several countries.
di bidang pertahanan, dan juga perkembangan geopolitik.
In the defense industry and also the development of geopolitics.
Cukup bagus perkembangannya, kemajuan industri pertahanan kita sangat baik.
In regards to the development, our development is pretty good and our defense industry is pretty significant in achievements.
Kinerjanya sudah bagus.
The task and the workforce is already pretty good
Dan akan diperbaiki terus.
and it will be fixed.
Sebagai contoh, Dirut PTDI baru laporan ke saya beberapa hari yang lalu.
As an example, the manager of PTDI has reported to me on several days ago
Bahwa kemampuan produksi mereka
that their production capabilities
CN 235 dari tadinya diperkirakan hanya 2 CN 235 setahun, sekarang setelah ada revitalisasi, ada reformulasi
of their CN-235 airplanes that was once on 2 productions per year, but after revitalization,
prosedur kerja dan sebagainya, mereka sekarang mampu, laporannya kedua PT 8 dari
of work structures, they have now reported to me that they can produce 8.
Yang tadinya 23 setahun, sekarang mereka mampu 8 CN 235 setahun. Ini sangat.
They can manage to produce 8 CN-235 airplanes in a year compared to last year, which is about 2 CN-35 airplanes in a year.
Bagus perkembangan karena permintaan.
This is a pretty significant achievement and significant improvement. It's because
CN 235 di banyak negara cukup tinggi, cukup baik.
the needs of CN-235 airplanes on some countries is quite high.
Perhitungan kita kurang lebih ada permintaan sampai dengan 100 pesawat CN 235 dari.
We estimated that more or less there are 100 orders of CN-235 airplanes
Di Afrika, Amerika Latin dan sebagainya.
from the region of Africa, Latin America, and many other regions around the world.
Jadi ini tentunya membesarkan hati kita.
Therefore, this is strengthening our heart.
Dan saya dorong terus industri pertahanan kita supaya lebih efisien.
And I encourage all of our defense industry to become more efficient.
lebih produktif,
and more productive,
lebih inovatif, ya,
and more innovative,
dan tidak malu-malu kerjasama dengan siapapun yang bisa membawa nilai tambah bagi kita.
and not shy to collaborate together with anyone that can bring a positive value, an additional positive value for us.
Dan juga tadi saya laporan ada memang
And also I have received some reports that
beberapa negara yang minta meningkatkan kerjasama pertahanan sama kita,
several countries that want to increase their relationship, their defense relationship with us.
mereka ingin mengirim perwira-perwira dan
They want to send the higher standings and
bintara-bintara mereka untuk dilatih di Indonesia,
their cadets to be teach in Indonesia.
dan mereka juga minta kita ke negara mereka untuk melatih pasukan mereka.
And they also want us to be delivered to their country to teach their soldiers and their cadets.
Ini sangat saya kira juga menunjukkan Indonesia terus dihormati dan
This really shows that Indonesia is getting more respected and
menjadi panutan banyak negara, terutama negara-negara Afrika.
and becoming more examples on different countries,
Saya kira
such as Africa.
demikian ya yang ingin saya sampaikan.
This is what I want to say for today.
Secara keseluruhan kondisinya baik sekarang.
Overall, Indonesian conditions, especially in defense industry, is good and improving.
Terima kasih. Ya.
Thank you.
Oke.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Saya kira sudah berkali-kali saya jawab ya.
I've already answered it so many times.
Sudah saya berkali-kali jawab itu ya.
I've already answered it so many times regarding that question.
Oh, sangat puas, sangat gembira, ya.
Oh, they are really happy and really enthusiastic with it.
Oke, terima kasih. Ya.
Okay, thank you very much.